It's 6:30 in the morning and it's time to listen to what's going on in and around Ghana. Welcome to the general news segment on Swesco Agenda. I am your lead anchor, Elena Madate, and I'm doing this with Ikia Sarina. Now the headlines. President to launch 24-hour economy on Republic Day. 26 arrested in drug-related operation at Aflawo border. Prices to fall as cedi gains weight. Bank of Ghana governor. Ministry confirms over 100,000 trained health professionals unemployed. Now the news in detail. President to launch 24-hour economy on Republic Day. President John Dramani Mahama has announced that the government will officially launch the 24-hour economy policy in July, most likely on Republic Day, as part of a bold new agenda to transform Ghana's productivity and export capacity. Speaking at a stakeholder consultative meeting at the Jubilee House yesterday, the president described the policy as a structured plan to drive industrial growth, job creation, and efficient resource utilization. We will officially launch the 24-hour economy program in July this year, most probably on Ghana's Republic Day, which is a symbolic day for a bold new national agenda, President Mahama said. The meeting brought together industry leaders, labor representatives, development planners, and traditional authorities to discuss the rollout of the ambitious economic transformation agenda. 26 arrested in drug-related operation at Aflawo border. The Volta Regional Police Command has arrested 26 individuals in connection with drug-related offences during an intelligence-led operation at the Aflawo border enclave. According to a police statement, the arrest took place at various locations as part of efforts to curb drug peddling and related criminal activities in the area. Items retrieved from the suspects include 20 rounds of a substance suspected to be Indian hemp, 12 sachets of tramadol tablets, a quantity of dried meat believed to be Indian hemp stored in a rubber bucket, 30,558 cedis, and 17,500 sefa in cash, 6 drug-laced toffees, 8 creams suspected to contain narcotic substances, and 26 compressed parcels of suspected Indian hemp hidden in a fertilizer sack. The suspects are currently in custody and are expected to be arraigned before court. Moving away from that, prices to fall as cedi gains weight. Bank of Ghana governor. Ghanaians can expect to see prices of goods and services begin to fall in the coming weeks as the strengthening cedi works its way through the market. Bank of Ghana governor Dr. Johnson Esiama has said. At the 124th Monetary Policy Committee press conference in Accra on May 24th, Dr. Esiama acknowledged that while the local currency has appreciated significantly against the dollar in recent weeks, consumers have yet to feel the relief at checkout counters and market stores across the country. The Ghanaian cedi has recorded a remarkable 41.18% year-to-date gain, making it the second best performing currency globally, narrowly behind the Russian ruble, which has gained 42.16%. As of 1:30 p.m. on Monday, May 26th, the cedi is trading at 10.43 to the dollar on the spot market, reflecting a 28.7% year-to-date appreciation. Rest assured that you will see the adjustment certainly, so long as there is competition, so long as it is not monopoly, and we will see that kind of phenomenon very soon, he stated. Ministry confirms over 100,000 trained health professionals unemployed. The Ministry of Health has confirmed that more than 100,000 trained health professionals remain unemployed, with discussions underway to send some of them abroad under structured migration agreements with countries such as the United Kingdom, the United States, Jamaica, and Barbados. Speaking in an interview on City FM on Thursday, May 29, 2025, the ministry spokesperson, Mr. Tony Goodman, said the backlog includes nurses, pharmacists, environmental health officers, and other allied health professionals who have completed their training and obtained license since 2021, but have not been employed due to the absence of financial clearance from the Ministry of Finance. So this brings us to the end of the general news segment on Swesco Agenda. This news was found and edited by Christabel Issa Augustine and Fifi Noti. This news was produced by Mr. Godwin Noti. See you same time next week. Until then, it's a bye.